Well, let's turn our attention now to BRICS. Of course, the expanding bloc now represents half of the world's population and over a third of global GDP. Now, for Africa, which now has about 3 full members, this expansion is more than symbolic. Analysts say that BRICS offers a platform for diversified trade as well as new partnerships and greater geopolitical influence. While Sumitra Naidu has this report from one of the full members, South Africa.
Kanta and her husband Eddie Mehta started Ashcan in their garage 19 years ago, developing nutritional supplements for animals. Since then, the Pretoria-based company has more than doubled in size and has a strong client base across Africa. Ashcan has now set its sights on exporting to BRICS countries.
Currently, our products are in sub-Saharan Africa, North Africa, the Middle East, through our partners. And going through the global partners made it easier to get into, for example, Saudi Arabia, which is BRICS, Egypt, which is BRICS. If you think about the BRICS countries, Brazil, China, India, just the population in those countries is so huge. And the meat production in those countries is huge. So all of our products are geared towards producing best quality meat without antibiotic use, reducing mortality, increasing fertility. So the use of these products into those markets would be great.
BRICS definitely has the potential to provide mass opportunities, but it's not as clear-cut as that. There's still a number of challenges and hurdles to get over in order to break into these various markets.
Discussions on addressing these challenges and creating greater access was high on the agenda at the recent BRICS summit in Brazil.
Certainly the BRICS nations are supportive and resolved as such at the BRICS summit in Rio to promote and enhance a multilateral as opposed to a unilateral trading system. And that is why the South African chapter of BRICS, I think what we rather try and promote here is a multilateral trading system where our own economy here in South Africa can benefit from partnerships, collaborations, complementarity. Trade approaches are very important and like-minded partners are very important.
The question is that could Africa rise within the context of this bloc that will allow Africa as a continent to be able to become a true global market player? Africa by 2050 is going to hold 1/4 of the world's population, but not just that, the largest working age population in the world.
Analysts say looking to diversify their finance options away from Western institutions is another factor in Africa's growing interest in BRICS. Sumitra Naidu, CGTN, Pretoria.